When you're deep into technical analysis, trying to read candlestick patterns on a small, cluttered web page widget can strain your eyes and hide crucial price action. Today, we're showing you how to instantly maximize your workspace with full-screen charts on investing.com. Let's dive right in. When you look at the top right corner of your interactive chart window on investing.com, scan the toolbar just above the price grid. You will see a small icon shaped like four diverging arrows or an expanding square. Clicking this icon instantly switches your chart from standard web page mode into an immersive full-screen window. Once you're in full screen, all your standard tools, including your drawing toolbar on the left, the indicators menu at the top, and your timeframes, remain fully active. Because the viewing area is dramatically larger, you can inspect multi-year historical data, fine-tune your trend lines with precision snapping, and view complex indicator panels like the MACD or RSI without feeling cramped. When you're done analyzing and want to head back to the main article or asset page, exiting full screen is effortless. Simply click that same expand icon, which now points inward, or press the escape key on your keyboard to instantly snap back to your standard browser view. After exiting full screen mode, you'll return to the normal investing.com chart page, and all of your chart settings, indicators, and drawings will remain available unless you've removed them. And that's how to use full screen charts on investing.com. It's a simple feature that provides a larger workspace, improves chart visibility, and makes technical analysis much more comfortable.